If your Beehiiv welcome email is not sending, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your automated welcome message working again. This is a super important issue, especially if you're trying to build trust with new subscribers right away. And the good news is that in many cases, it's just one setting that needs to be corrected. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the settings option and click it. In Beehiiv, a lot of your email automation and delivery settings live inside this area, so this is the first place you want to check whenever a welcome email is not going out. Next, click on Emails. This is where Beehiiv manages the email-related settings for your publication, including your welcome email flow. Now, carefully check that the welcome email is enabled. Sometimes the email is created, but the feature itself is turned off, which means new subscribers will never receive it. So make sure that switch is active. After that, verify that a welcome email has actually been created. It's possible to have the feature enabled, but no actual email content set up yet. If that happens, Beehiiv has nothing to send. Open the welcome email setup and confirm that your message exists, is saved properly, and is ready to be triggered when someone subscribes. Now, check your sender email address. This is a big one. If your sender address is not verified, Beehiiv may have trouble sending automated messages correctly. Make sure the email address you're using as the sender has been verified inside your account. If it hasn't, complete that verification process before testing again. Another important setting to look at is double opt-in. If double opt-in is enabled, subscribers may need to confirm their email address before they can receive your welcome email. So if your welcome email is not sending, check whether this option is on. If it is, then you need to confirm that the subscriber actually completed the email confirmation process. That confirmation step matters a lot because if someone signs up but never clicks the confirmation link, Beehiiv may not treat them as fully subscribed yet. So if you're testing with your own email, make sure you go through the full sign-up and confirmation flow instead of stopping halfway through. Next, go to your audience section and check the subscriber status. Find the subscriber you're testing with and make sure they are marked as active. If the subscriber is pending, unconfirmed, bounced, or otherwise inactive, that can prevent the welcome email from being sent the way you expect. This is one of those places where a quick check can save you a lot of time. You might think the automation is broken, but in reality, the subscriber record itself isn't in the right state yet. So always verify that the subscriber is active before moving on. If you've checked all of those settings and the welcome email still isn't sending, then the last step is to contact Beehiiv support. At that point, there may be an account-specific issue, a delivery issue, or a setup problem that needs deeper troubleshooting from their team. And that's it. To recap, log into Beehiiv, go to Settings, click Emails, make sure the welcome email is enabled, confirm the welcome email exists, verify your sender email, check double opt-in, confirm the subscriber completed the email confirmation process, and make sure the subscriber is active in audience. If everything looks correct and it still doesn't work, reach out to Beehiiv support. If this video helped you solve the issue, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.